In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect PayPal to Payhip. This process is crucial for anyone looking to sell products or services online through Payhip. By linking your PayPal account, you can easily manage transactions, ensuring that payments are secure and efficient. Now, let's get started. First, open a browser and search for Payhip. You can use any preferred search engine. Look for the official Payhip website in the search results. It's essential to click the right link to avoid any phishing sites. Once you find it, you'll recognize the Payhip logo and interface. This step sets the foundation for everything that follows, making it crucial for a seamless experience. Next, click the correct link and log in if prompted. You should see a login page where you can enter your credentials. If you already have an account, input your email and password. If you do not have an account yet, you will need to create one. This step is vital as it ensures that you have access to your Payhip dashboard. Once logged in, you'll be directed to your account homepage ready to move forward. Now, click on the Account tab in the top navigation bar and select Settings from the drop-down menu. The Account tab is typically found on the upper right of your screen. When you hover over it, a list of options will appear. Selecting Settings will take you to a new page where you can adjust various account preferences. This is important because it brings you closer to managing your payment options effectively. After that, select the Payment Details tab on the Settings page. This section is where you can manage how you receive payments. Look for the Payment Details tab, which should be clearly labeled. Here you will find options to add or edit your payment methods. This step is essential as it directly influences how your customers will pay you, ensuring smooth transactions. Next, click the Link PayPal Account button. This button is usually prominently displayed within the Payment Details section. Clicking it will initiate the connection process between Payhip and PayPal. This step is crucial because linking your PayPal account allows you to start receiving payments directly through the platform. Once you click this button, you will be taken to the next step of the process. Finally, log into your PayPal account via the secure pop-up window that appears and grant Payhip permission to connect. You will need to enter your PayPal email and password. After logging in, look for a prompt asking you to allow Payhip access to your PayPal account. This is a critical security step that ensures your financial information is protected. By granting permission, you enable Payhip to manage payments on your behalf. Once you've completed these steps, you will see a confirmation that your PayPal account is linked successfully. This connection allows you to process transactions efficiently and securely. You can now focus on growing your business and serving your customers. By following these steps to connect PayPal to Payhip, you set yourself up for success in managing online sales. Remember, each action you take enhances the security and efficiency of your transactions. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you in your online journey.